Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Snoopy as the mummy, or a mummy. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. If you love Halloween and you love, basically looking at videos of Halloween, click the subscribe button and click the bell notification right now. It's going to let you know when I post. Stay to the very end of the video and you'll learn a new skill, okay? So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with curve line here for Snoopy's head. Pull down here forward for his nose. Curve in front of his nose over here. I love Peanuts, by the way. I don't know if it's obvious from the channel, but I absolutely love Peanuts characters, so I'm glad to draw them whenever I can. Pulling in, down. Pulling back over here along the ear. Maybe a little bit more right here along the ear. And I'm going to pull up. Line over here for the nose. I'm sorry, the nose, the eye. Line over here for the nose. Curve in. Line over here. And I'm going to go over here and fill in the dark part of his ear. Right? Like so. And basically what we're doing is we're drawing Snoopy as is first, and then we're going in and kind of putting the paper on him. Pulling down to his body. Line out. Thumb over here. Line over here. Curve to the front, curve over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go pull down for the belly, and now I'm going to draw a straight line down over here for his foot, and I'm going to kind of complete this shape. He's going to, and then we're going to pull a line over here for the back foot. His foot looks like dinner rolls or something. His feet, I just noticed that, like little dinner rolls. Line over here. Tail. So that's a piece of paper right there. It's coming out. So let's start drawing the paper on him. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. And we're drawing the paper on him like the mummy, right? And we're just kind of picking our spots of where to do it. Line over here, line across. Curve line here. Curve line here. Maybe the paper is tangled up. Right? You can just draw straight lines across too. That's completely fine as well. Like a line here, like it's going, underneath one and out the other. Line here. curve over here on his hands. And you could always throw, like I said, pieces of paper, right, coming off somewhere, right? And it's going to make it look a little more detailed. Maybe throw a line over here at the top. But it's kind of up to you. Like I said, you can add more to it, to this. Think of toilet paper rolled around him or something, right? Because that's kind of what he would be doing. We can even throw like another hand here on the behind, so it'll look more. Line over here. Line over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. That's the mummy as Snoopy. You can kind of maybe go over here, you know, like put some details. Try to, you know, figure out what the paper would be doing, right, in a more realistic scenario, but it's really up to you. There's a lot of cool, like, stuff to do with this, so I really hope that this shortened it for you, that this made it easy. It's great to do this stuff. I love drawing Peanuts, and I'm a huge Peanuts fan for anything like that. And there's going to be a bunch, believe me, on this channel, and I'll put them in a special playlist. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will talk to you very soon. Don't forget, hit me up on... oh, I forgot the last announcement. There's a free gift for you in the description. Go to the top link in the description, and you're going to find 100 Halloween drawing templates. They are completely free. They are easy to print, and basically it's like a how-to, right? Like on a page, but there's 100 of them. There's 100 of them. So there's a lot of good stuff in that. And it used to be a product, but I'm making it free to you because this year has been so lousy, right? Last year. So I wanted to give you guys to make it something better. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I will talk to you very, very soon. And you guys have been amazing. Share the video if you enjoyed this. Share it with someone that you think will enjoy it, or share it on Twitter, you know, or one of those. It takes like 2 seconds, and it truly helps me out. Talk to you later, and stay spooky.